Welcome to CLIMBS INSURE, your one-stop solution for hassle-free insurance services. Let's get started on how to make the most out of our app in 4 easy steps. First, let's guide you through downloading and installing the app. To download the CLIMBS INSURE app, follow these steps. First, open the respective app store on your device. Then, search for CLIMBS INSURE and select the app from the results. And tap on Install for Android or Get for iOS to download and install the app. Now that you've installed the app, let's move on to signing up and purchasing insurance products. First, open the CLIMBS INSURE app. Second, click on Sign Up and fill in your details. Then third, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process. Once signed up, here's how you can purchase insurance products. First, log into your CLIMBS INSURE account. Second, navigate to the Mutual Aid System section. Third, choose your desired coverage plan, Classic, Silver, Gold, or Diamond. Fourth, select the insurance product you wish to purchase. And lastly, follow the prompts to complete the purchase process. Finally, let's talk about payment options. You have the option to pay via GCash using your account. Or PayMaya users can utilize their account details. And either, for debit credit card payments, use any accredited bank card, enter your details, and confirm payment. After the user successfully chooses their payment method, the system will process their online payment based on their bank choice. Experience the convenience of CLIMBS INSURE by downloading our app from either the App Store for iOS users or the Google Play Store for Android users. Get started today and enjoy seamless access to our range of insurance services. Thank you for choosing CLIMBS INSURE.